Hey everyone, in this feature recap, we're introducing new features and improvements such as our new AI hub menu, nested lists, and the ability to turn on your camera while presenting, and a whole lot more. So let's dive right in. We've got a brand new addition to the Visme editor that's going to make working with our AI tools a whole lot easier. This new addition is called the AI Hub, and it's basically your one-stop menu for everything AI inside of Visme. Before this, our AI tools were a little spread out across different menus, but now with the AI Hub, you can access all of them from one place in the left-hand panel of the editor. So what's inside? Well, the AI Designer, which helps you generate complete projects like presentations, documents, and social media graphics from just a short prompt. Along with AI Resize, which instantly adapts your design to a different size with just one click. Super handy if you're repurposing content. Then you have Text-to-Speech Generator, which turns your text into a voiceover in just a few seconds. And AI Writer, which generates short-form copy, and the Text-to-Image Generator, which creates custom visuals. And the AI touch-up tools will help you clean up or enhance images using AI. And if you're creating your project from a presentation, document, printable, chart, social media, or web graphic template, you can use Edit with AI to populate the template with your content or have AI create it for you. All of our AI templates use AI credits, so while you're playing around with them, make sure to keep an eye on your balance as you use those features. If you haven't checked out our AI capabilities yet, just open a project and look for the AI Hub in the left side menu. Everything is there in one spot, ready when you are. Another much requested update that we've rolled out in the last month is nested lists. So if you're working with steps or subpoints or just need to structure your text a little bit better, you can now create multi-level lists directly in the editor. To create a nested list, head to the text editing panel on the left. Turn on lists and choose from a few different bullet or number styles. Want to add a subpoint? Just hit tab on your keyboard. Need to move backwards? Click shift tab simultaneously. You can also adjust the nested items indent to get the layout to fit your style perfectly. Give it a try next time you're organizing the content so that your project looks perfect. Our next update is going to come in handy if you present live often using Visme. You can now turn on your camera in present mode so that your audience can see you on screen while you walk them through your slides. Just click the three-dot menu and select Show Camera. Once it's on, your video will appear in a movable bubble. You can drag it around or wherever it works best on your slide and even customize the style using the little menu next to it. Using this feature when you're presenting is a great way to personalize your presentations and connect with your viewers in real time. If you've been using AI Designer with your own content like a document or a link, there's a helpful new update. You can now choose how AI reuses your content. Once the AI sources the content from your file or link, the chatbot will give you 3 copy reuse options. First one being Verbatim, which keeps your content almost exactly as is. Then you have Enhance, which polishes the copy while sticking closely to the original. And then you have a Total Rewrite, which gives you a refreshed version based on your input, but written in a new way. So whether you need a quick cleanup or a full rewrite, you're now in full control on how your content is being used in the design. And last but not least, you can now add text to individual slides in your image carousels. Previously, any text you added showed up at the top of the entire carousel, but with this update, you can customize each slide with its own header and subtitle appearing on the photo. You can tackle each slide one by one or use the Apply to All option if you want the same text applied to all the photos. This feature is located under the Image Text settings of the Carousel Editing left side menu. Additionally, in the Settings menu of the left panel, you can adjust background overlay opacity, fonts, and text positioning to match your design style. And so that's it for this round of updates. We hope these new features help you create faster and smarter. Try them out in your next project and let us know what features you'd like us to create next. And don't forget to subscribe so that you stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm Ivan, as always, helping you design better for your business.